Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ritwom, your favorite finance lady. Okay, so today I'll be talking about different ways to save your money or different tips of how to save your money. So let me just dive straight into the video. Okay, so the first saving tip is learn to round up your account or your money. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. So if you earn 255,000 naira, to round it up is like 250,000. So the 5,000 on it is something you can just save. So you can just transfer the money into a particular account where maybe you don't have an ATM card for it, so you can just dump it there. So this is actually what I do. So it's psychological, but it works. Really, it works if you just put it in your mind that, oh, let me just round my account up. You can just save the extra amount there and you're good. So that is one saving tips. Alternatively, what you can do is that extra 5,000 you can move it to a different saving app. I know there are a lot of saving apps, especially if you stay in Nigeria. You know there are different saving apps. We have the piggy vest. This is not an advert, right? A lot of my friends have been using it, so they said it's actually good, so it's not an advert or something. So they use piggy vest. They use different saving applications. So what they do is they just transfer the extra money into the application and it's automatically maybe invest your money for you. So it's also a way of trying to save your money without touching it, you understand? So the essence of that app is to just lock up your money. You don't really have access to it and all of that. So that's another way. Instead of you to transfer it to the bank account, you can actually move it to that saving application. So the second tip is saving money at home. Okay, so this goes out to entrepreneurs, those that earn daily, those that earn cash daily, yes, and also the salary earners. Some people go out with cash, for transport and the likes, and you come back with your change. So some people actually save in piggy bank. In Yoruba language we call it kolo. Yes, I'm sure you know kolo. So they save it in their kolo, and kolo is actually piggy bank. So a lot of people save money there and it's good. Some people do it, they're actually disciplined because it requires discipline. You might tell yourself that, okay, every day I'm going to save so amount of money every day, and be consistent with it for maybe 6 months or less, for a particular period of time. So it's actually another way to save, but personally I don't do it because I really don't encourage saving money at home. But everybody cannot be doing online transfer. A lot of people hold cash, and it's okay, you can do that. So this one is not like it's a saving tip actually, but it's a must. Like, you just have to do it to be able to save your money. Okay, try to unfollow those social media accounts that will always push you to spend. So I said this in my previous video. I'm going to put the link in the description box. I said this in my previous video. Don't buy what you don't need. And for you to do that, just tell yourself the truth and try to unfollow those tempting social media accounts that actually want to prompt you to actually spend. It's a good thing. It's psychological. Yeah, you might be thinking that, why will I do that? But you know yourself. I know, brothers and sisters, you know yourself. So another point is this is another psychological thing. So learn to see your rich self in the future. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. We are in August and we have 5 months to December. So a lot of people, they're already planning their day to December, how they're going to spend money and the likes. Okay, so December is the next 5 months, but you need to learn to save now. So some people already started saving and they're already seeing their future rich self. You understand? So you need to learn to save now. So most people have started saving small money, like, okay, this is exactly how I want to spend my December. This is how much I'm going to spend in December. So this is how much I'm going to start saving. So see your future self. Okay, so another tip is your savings is proportional to your income. You earn more, you save more. You earn less, yeah, you save less. So if you are planning on saving 20 million and you just earn peanuts, it's not going to work. There's no magic you can do. So I made a video. My last video was how to earn money online. Go and watch that video. At least you will learn how to, you can start earning some small money online. It's also going to increase your saving. Or try to get another job, try to get a higher paid job. It's also going to help you to increase your savings. Another tip is save a particular percentage of your income. Yes, so I can recommend 5% to 10% of your income. You can just start with that one and save. This saving thing is discipline. Seriously, I can keep talking from now till tomorrow, and some people will not even be motivated to save. But it is self-discipline. You need to tell yourself that, okay, this is the style I want to do. So is it that you're going to do the style of the round hop, money, or you're going to do the style of a particular percentage? There are different saving types and tips. Stick to one, and this one is actually a very good one. Just learn to save like 5 to 10% of your money and be consistent with it. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment. If you have different saving tips apart from the one I've mentioned, drop it in the comment section and let's learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time seeing my channel, please subscribe to enjoy a lot of financial tips, and also some of lifestyle. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.